Towing papers!
Hey, this right here sound like that New Bounce. By the way, H-U-E-Y. Boy, hits committed partner. Ho, you a fool for this one.
Toot that thing up, mommy, make it roll. Once you pop, lock it for me, girl, get low. If your mama gave it to you, baby girl, let it show. Once you pop, drop it for me, maybe we can roll. Oh!
Pop, lock, and drop it. 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 Pop, lock, and drop it.
Tonight is gonna be some changes, no acting sadistic, so stop acting and get it clapping, cause I'm knowing you feel me. Yeah, you cute, but don't let that shit go to your head, cause what this cutie won't do pimping, another one will. You prefer rocking the skirt and your heels